Good morning. In the last class, we discussed about the parallel ladder and serial ladder. And before that, we had discussed half adder, full adder, all this. In this class, we are going to discuss about the two's complement parallel adder. So we are going to discuss about the two's complement parallel adder. On completion of this period, you would be able to learn draw two's complement parallel adder or subtractor circuit. Know the working of two's complement parallel adder subtractor circuit. In the previous classes, we have learnt about half adder, full adder, 4-bit parallel binary adder. We know half adder adds 2 bits at a time. It has two outputs, sum and carry. And for full adder adds 3 bits at a time, and it has two outputs, sum and carry. And we discussed 4-bit parallel binary adder also. In that, 4 bits can be added at a time, and for that we need 4 full adders to add 4 bits. These topics already we covered in the last class. Now, in this, exclusive OR gate. The exclusive OR gate symbol is shown here. It has two inputs, A, B, and output is A exclusive or B. The exclusive OR XOR function is an important Boolean function used by extensively in logic circuits. It is a symbol shown for exclusive OR gate. Symbol of exclusive OR gate, inputs A, B, and here A exclusive OR B is the output. It is IEEE symbol. The XOR function means A or B, but not both. A or B but not both. For a 2-input XOR gate, the output is high when the both inputs are different. The truth table is given here. For 2 inputs, we get 4 combinations of inputs, that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1 are the input combinations. For 0 0 combination of inputs, output is 0, that is AB fundamental product. For 0 1 combination, output is 1, fundamental product A B bar. For 1 0 combination, output is 1, the fundamental product is A bar B. For 1 1 combination of input, output is 0, fundamental product becomes A bar B bar. Boolean equation y equal to A exclusive R P, that equal to A B bar plus A bar B. Full adder. This is the block diagram of full adder. The full adder has 2 inputs, A and B. The carry input Ci, it has 2 inputs and 2 outputs. The outputs are sum and carry. The truth table of full adder. Here 3 inputs A, B, carry, and outputs carry out sum. Here for 3 inputs, 2 power 3, that equal to 8, we get 8 combinations. 8 input combinations we get, that is 0 0 0, 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 double 0 1 0 1 double 1 0 triple 1. These are the combinations for 3 inputs. These combinations we get for 3 inputs. For 3 0 combination, 0 0 0 combination, carry 0, sum 0. 0 1 0 combination, sum 1, carry 0. 1 0 1 0 combination, carry 0, sum 1. 0 1 1 combination, carry 1, sum 0. 1 0 0 combination, carry 0, sum 1. For 1 0 1 combination, carry 1, sum 0. 1 1 0 combination, carry 1, sum 0. 1 1 1 combination, carry 1, sum 1. Here 2's complement. Most common scheme of representing negative numbers in computers. Affords natural arithmetic, no special rules. Scale लेना, scale leads to simple arithmetic circuit that can add and subtract. To represent negative numbers in 2's complement notation. Decide upon the number of bits n. Find the binary representation of the positive value in n bits. Flip all the bits, change ones to 0 and vice versa. Add 1. Two's complement is the number that results when we add 1 to the 1's complement. For example, binary number 1011. Ones complement, zeros becomes 1 and ones becomes 0. Hence it is 0, 1, 0, 0. Ones complement of binary number given. And add plus 1, that becomes 2's complement. The result is 0, 1, 0, 1. Complementary notation. For binary base 2, conversion between positive and negative numbers are easy. For binary base 2, for positive 2's complement, for negative 2's complement. It means what? For 2's complement you make it negative, and for 2's complement you make it positive. Two's complement adder or subtractor. Subtraction can be done by addition of 2's complement. Complement each bit, 1's complement, add 1 to the result. The circuit shown computer A plus B and A minus B. Binary subtraction. A minuend, B subtrahend. A minus B the difference. A minus B equal to A plus minus B. It means add minus B to the A. A plus 2's complement of B. Application of XOR gate. Exclusive OR AB, A exclusive OR B. For buffer, one bit is 0 and other bit is B. A exclusive OR B equal to B. For one's complement, bit is 1 and another bit is B. For that it becomes B bar. If we add 0 to the exclusive OR gate, it acts as a buffer, because whatever we give, the same we get. Hence it is called as a buffer. Here, if we give 1 to the exclusive OR gate and it gives B bar, means it acts as inverter. The particular XOR gate acts as inverter. Now, 2's complement, adder, subtractor, circuit diagram. Here, for 4 bit, 4 exclusive OR gates are added. And 4 full adders are added. For each exclusive OR gate, B0, B1, B2, B3 bits are given, and S input is given here, and A0, A1, A2, A3 bits are given directly to the full adder. The same S bit is given to the first full adder circuit. Anyway, full adder circuits gives sum 0 or in the bracket D0, sum 1 in the bracket D1, sum 2 D2, sum 3 D3, C4. is the carry. When S equal to 0, the circuit act as adder. The number B3, B2, B1, B0 is added to A3, A2, A1, A0 and gives sum equal to S3, S2, S1, S0. When S is equal to 1, the circuit act as subtractor. The numbers B3, B2, B1, B0 is subtracted from A3, A2, A1, A0 and gives the difference D3, D2, D1, D0. Two's complement adder subtractor. In this circuit, S is equal to 0 is given and circuit is same as above circuit. All exclusive OR gate outputs are given to the full adders and A bits are directly added to the full adders. We get sum 0, sum 1, sum 2, sum 3 like that because it is acting as adder whenever S is equal to 0. Operation of adder. Same circuit is given here. When S equal to 0, output of the XOR gates will be same as B data bits. Carry input to the first full adder is 0 because S is equal to 0. A and B bits are applied as the two inputs to the parallel adder. Thus, the output is the sum of A and B. Two's complement, adder, subtractor. Here, for the same circuit, S is equal to 1 is given. If S is equal to 1 is given, what happens here? All bits of B0, B1, B2, B3 act as negative bits like B0 bar, B1 bar, B2 bar, B3 bar, or like act as like complement bits, or we can say that they act as ones complement bits, and same bits are added in the full adder. Subtractor when S is equal to 1. Here circuit is same. For that it act as whenever S is equal to 1, subtractor when S is equal to 1. When we keep this S bit is 1, the above circuit act as subtractor. It means negative bits are added to the positive bits, like A plus in the bracket minus B. It means A bits are added to the minus B bits. It is equal to the A minus B, or it is equal to the subtraction. Output of the XOR gates will be the complement of the B data bits. Carry input to the first full adder is now 1 because S is equal to 1. Addition of 1 to the ones complement of B bits are applied as the inputs to the parallel adder, that is A plus in the bracket minus B, that equal to A minus B. This is the process of subtracting a binary numbers from another using 2's complement method. Summary: we have discussed about 2's complement adder and subtractor circuit. quiz. Two's complement adder or subtractor circuit can perform addition only, subtraction only, addition and subtraction, none of the above. It can act as a adder and subtractor, hence our answer becomes C. Addition and subtraction. In the 2's complement adder and subtractor, sign magnitude numbers represents negative numbers. The sign magnitude numbers have 1 as a leading bit. The sign magnitude number have 0 as a leading bit. 2's complement representative positive numbers. Two's complement number represent positive numbers. Frequently asked questions. Explain the working of 2's complement, adder and subtractor. Assignment, or we can say expected questions, or how questions can be formed, how questions comes in the exam. We can say write the function of XOR gate and full adder. Explain 2's complement method of subtraction. Explain the working of 2's complement, adder, subtractor. So we discussed frequently asked questions and some quiz points. See, we discussed in this 2's complement, we discussed adder and subtractor. How when it act as adder and subtractor. Whenever s is equal to 0, it act as adder. Whenever s is equal to 1, it act as subtractor. The basic formula using here for subtraction is a plus in the bracket minus b, means minus b bits are added to the a bits, that gives the a minus b. So this topic over, we discuss next topic in the next class.